Okay, this is a quick screencast to set up inquiries at pausepets.com.au. So in MacMail, if that's what you're using, I assume, mail preference, no, not preferences, sorry. Mail, add account, add other account. Email address is inquiries pausepets.com.au. Password I sent before. Okay, so grabbing the email address, which will be the same for the username, and then here pausepets.com.au. Just going to copy and paste that and sign in. And just untick notes, leave mail on, click done, and that should be set up now. So if I go to mailboxes, you can see here I've got pausepets.com.au inbox, there, that one. So that's inquiries, and that's the original test email that I sent. So once you connect to inquiries at pausepets.com.au, you'll see this test email which I sent originally to inquiries at pausepets.com.au. That's it. Good luck. Let me know if there's any issues. Cheers.